Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how to fix the Windows error recovery problem. So, let's dive right in. When the Windows error recovery screen appears, first choose Start Windows normally. Often, this will boot your system normally. If the issue continues, restart your PC and press the F8 key to open Advanced Boot Options. From here, select Safe Mode. Inside Safe Mode, uninstall recent programs or drivers to fix the problem. You can also run Startup Repair, boot from a Windows USB or DVD, choose Repair your computer, then select Startup Repair. Windows will scan and fix startup issues automatically. Another option is checking system files. In Safe Mode, open Command Prompt, type sfc/scano, and press Enter. This will repair corrupted files causing the error. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the Windows error recovery problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.